Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making spaghetti carbonara. You're going to need 1 pound spaghetti, 1 cup Parmesan cheese, 3 large eggs, 4 to 6 slices pancetta or bacon, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, 4 cloves garlic, teaspoon pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon crushed red pepper. Let's start with the sauce. Whisk 3 eggs. Add pepper and chili flakes to taste if you like it spicy. Then add Parmesan cheese and mix everything well. Then set it aside. I use bacon, but you can also use pancetta. Chop the bacon very finely. Before we start preparing the sauce, bring a pot of water to a boil and add a little salt. Add the chopped bacon or pancetta to a heated pan and fry until crispy. When it's done, remove the bacon and leave the oil in the pan. When the water boils, add the spaghetti and cook for 8 to 10 minutes according to the package instructions. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. While the spaghetti is cooking, prepare the sauce, grate or finely chop the garlic, and fry it for a minute in the pan. Reduce the heat and transfer the spaghetti directly from the pot to the pan. Do not rinse them because the starch helps the sauce adhere better to the pasta. Stir a little, then add the egg and Parmesan mixture. Mix well, turn off the heat. And add 1 to 3 ladles of the water in which the spaghetti was cooked. The starchy water helps to thicken the sauce and allows it to absorb better into the pasta. Once everything is well mixed, add the fried bacon and fresh parsley. Mix well again. And this is it. Dinner is ready. Enjoy a cheap, delicious, and quick meal. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.